How to manually calibrate a ZT111 printer. This video will teach you how to manually calibrate a ZT111 printer. Zebra recommends calibrating your printer whenever you change the media type. Open the media door. Make sure the media and ribbon is fully inserted into the printer. If you have any media handling options, such as a peel or cutter, please calibrate in those modes. If you use media with a gap referred to as a web or a hole or a notch, you want to ensure your sensor is in the optimal position to identify that feature. Locate and adjust the media sensor. Move the sensor to where the light passes through the notch or hole. Avoid locating the sensor under the hole or notch radius. If your media is not a simple rectangle, such as a circular shape, locate the sensor over the leading part of the label. If you are using media with print on the other side, locate the sensor away from the print, so the sensor does not get a false reading. Press and hold the pause and cancel buttons. The status, pause, and supplies lights flash yellow once. The pause light will flash. Open the printhead assembly. Remove the ribbon. Extend the media approximately 8 inches, 203 mm, from the printer. Remove about 6 inches or 150 mm of labels from the label backing. Move the backing until it is under the media sensor. Close the printhead. Press pause. The supplies light will flash while the printer calibrates to the media. When the pause light is flashing, open the printhead. Move the media forward, so labels are beneath the printhead. Load the ribbon. Close the printhead. Remove the excess backing. Press pause. The supplies light will flash as the printer calibrates the ribbon. When the pause light flashes again, the calibration is complete. Remove the excess backing. Close the media door. Press pause to resume printing. Press feed to verify the calibration.